If the beans porridge you cook has ever made you feel bloated or gives you heartburn or makes you feel heavy, you are cooking it wrong. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your beans, how to cook it so that you will not get bloated or feel heartburn after cooking it. You will learn why parboiling your beans is a game changer, a healthier non-frying method for your beans, and a secret ingredient that will blow your mind away. This ingredient elevates your beans in the best possible way, and that's very important. If you know you want to get all these recipe secrets, keep watching. This is parboiling stage. Now, this is a step that is very important. Parboiling your beans takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and it is not just parboiling. Parboiling helps reduce bloating, prevent discomfort like heartburn, and removes impurities from your beans. Yes, and there is a trick I use. When you finish parboiling your beans, that is when you pour it in the sieve. It is very important you run a lot of water on the beans. This removes any kind of leftover impurities that is left in the beans. You are exactly washing it again in a way, so you kind of flush it out. This helps your beans feel light and cooks better, tastes better. So this is your number one cue to start parboiling your beans from today onwards. And for the yam, you can actually substitute the yam for plantain. You can substitute the yam for potato or whatever you want to add in your beans. It equally goes the same way, just different taste. So for me, I'll be using yam for my porridge beans today. Wash the yam, peel and cut into small sizes and set it aside. And that is for the yam preparation. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. I make Nigerian food. I simplify it and cook it step by step so that a beginner can understand what I am doing and you can easily replicate it at home. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in today. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me. And please feel free to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time of coming across it. And don't forget to like this video and share to somebody that really needs this porridge beans recipe. Thank you so much. Let's continue with the video. As I said earlier, don't compromise in parboiling your beans. When you start parboiling your beans and taking all the steps and measures I said in this video, you will stop getting bloated when you eat beans. You will stop having heartburn when you eat beans. Do well to rinse your pot after pouring out the beans. Yes, you heard me right. Rinse your pot thoroughly and run a lot of water in the beans to make sure you are washing the beans again. Yes, after doing so, return the beans to the pot, and here the cooking of the beans commences. I am very big on building flavors, and some people think flavor is just something expensive. something special. No, those spices you have in your kitchen are the flavors I'm talking about. Yes, things like salt, ehuru, oda, sesame, those little things, those are things I use in building flavor in food. For these beans now, I can easily cover it and cook it like that, but no, I'll be adding some onions and salt. By the time these beans soften, it already have flavor built in it, and the next time we open these beans, it's already softened, and the taste will be quite different from somebody that just cooked the beans like that without adding anything. You see what I'm saying? This is what it means to build flavor, not something special, not something so big. One thing I'll tell you for free is whenever you are making beans, have enough onions. Have enough onions. There's no shortcuts in making beans without onions. Onions is very crucial in your beans. Lots of onions. And number 2, crayfish. Not too much, not too generous, just a little quantity goes a long way. And my secret recipe. Since I started adding this in 1 tablespoon in my beans, it changes everything. Soya spice, that's what I'm adding right now. Soya spice, don't joke with it, don't put it too much, just small. You know that soya spice has a smoky flavor, so when you add it to your beans, with that, all that onions that is already in the beans, you will understand what I mean, that when you taste the beans, you will go to heaven. It tastes so amazing. And remember, we didn't fry anything. Sometimes some people say beans do me heartburn, beans this, beans that. Sometimes frying some things, especially palm oil, can actually cause heartburn for some people, but they blame it on poor beans. So look very well on what you are not doing right and fix it, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much. Feel free to like this video, subscribe if you are yet to do so, and share this video to someone who has been complaining about beans causing them bloating, so that they can fix the way they cook their beans. Thank you so much. And don't forget, this is your best Nigeria home cooking channel. You can find every Nigerian recipe here. Thank you. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.